Hello everyone, welcome back to my What is that noise? Are you serious right now? Come on. What? This is happening. Just wait 1 minute. Alright, I have enough of this. Okay, so what? There's still noise, but there's no person in the car. Are you serious? Okay, this means I will destroy those. Okay, so I'm going to destroy those two. I mean, cars. So it's all game over. Here, my bad boy. Now it's time. Okay. So just gotta aim it. There you go, one shot. Another. There you go. Finally. There we go. I have done it. It's over, finally. Wait. Hold on. What's that noise?